Alright. The splicing has almost done. After splicing, put a grinder polisher. Buff this portion. Buff this. And another. Buff this, buff this. Don't damage the ply. Then the bias, you could bias this one, the slant splice, the 45-degree splice, this one, buff this, okay. Then, after finish the buff, clean the ply using pure lacquer thinner. And after apply the pure lacquer thinner, clean it again. Use blower, and after that, use the chemical. First, apply a cement, rubber cement, liquid rubber. After apply the liquid rubber, apply the caution gum with the ply. 1 inch caution gum, 1 inch. Apply that. This portion, the ply. After apply the caution, apply again, but this time all of them. Apply the caution gum. After apply a caution gum, apply it again liquid rubber cement. After apply liquid cement, just put another one side of conveyor and then align it. After align it, be sure the top of side edge and the bottom side edge has aligned 0 0 alignment, like this. For example, this is a top conveyor belt. Yan, like this. The alignment of side edge, top and bottom conveyor is 0 0, like this. 0. Wait. I'm sorry. I use LED light to show you. Alright. Okay. This is I'll repeat. For example, this is another one side of conveyor splice. Okay, this is a top conveyor. And then this is sa bottom conveyor. Put it the top on bottom cover. And then align the side edge rubber. After align, take one conveyor like this, one, and then check the thickness. Note the thick of belt of you guide the machine is same the conveyor, and then like this, same thickness, same. After align the conveyor and then ready to cook using Shaw Almex for 40 volts Shaw Almex. Thank you for watching.